Wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. In today's video, I will show you how to make your own mermaid hairspray. What's a mermaid hairspray? Stay tuned to find out. Basically, a mermaid hairspray is a hair tonic to stimulate hair growth. A mermaid hairspray is perfect for people na medyo nagdalagas yung hair or medyo napapanot na because it stimulates hair growth through the essential oil rosemary. So rosemary is an essential oil that actually stimulates your hair follicles. What you'll need is a glass sprayer bottle. So this one is 30 ml. You'll also need your Thayer's non-alcoholic witch hazel. It has to be non-alcohol or alcohol-free formula because you're gonna be spraying it on your hair. You wouldn't want alcohol to be put on your hair kasi magda-dry yung scalp. You'll also need essential oils like lavender, rosemary, cedarwood, and geranium. Na hindi siya medyo advisable for pregnant women. So, for pregnant women, I highly suggest for you to stay away from this recipe. For today, I will be using this local brand, Zelaroma. Zelaroma is a local essential oils brand which imports their essential oils from Europe, and they also have GCMS documentations provided for public access. Today's activity is pretty easy. First, you'll get your glass sprayer bottle, and then you will need 7 drops of rosemary, 10 drops of lavender, 10 drops of cedarwood, and 3 drops of geranium. And then you fill the bottle up with your Thayer's alcohol-free witch hazel. And then shake it well. To use your mermaid hairspray, just spritz it all over your hair. You can use it on wet or dry hair. It's even safe to touch your scalp since it's alcohol-free. So there you go, that's your mermaid hairspray. But before I end this video, I want to invite all of you to join me on my first EO workshop on February 10 at Long Weekend Coffee in Marikina. It's a non-MLM event. It's gonna be a day full of EO crafting. We have 4 recipes in store for you to make just in time for Valentine's Day. I'll link down below the registration link so you guys can register, and I'll see you then. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed today's EO hack, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!